Hi crafty friends, Lace here, the Cheeky Bomb, and I wanted to share the new Simple Stories collection that I purchased. So I purchased this collection from Lisa, and I'm super excited. It's the Simple Stories Color Me Happy collection. She did throw a couple extra things in for me. I know that she's not super into cowgirls, but I'm guessing she was gifted these or I had found them out in the wild and she sent them my way because I like the pink cowgirl stuff. And my favorite collection, she sent me a 6x8 of this. I have a few now to I feel like I don't have to hoard as much. And I've made a few things from this collection and I plan on making some more because my crafty friends are so sweet and shared with me. And I appreciate you guys. So I am going to open this up so we can look at all the goodness of this collection. Okay, this collection is so pretty. So what I have is the 12 by 12 collection kit. I have the cardstock stickers. I have the 6 by 8 paper. I have the journaling bits. I have the floral bits. The page pieces. These are chipboard pieces. I'm super excited about these. I wish that more collections would have these. And then just bits and pieces. So I'm going to flip through the paper first. It's just so vibrant and pretty, and it just is like just so springy. I really like it. I don't know what I want to do with this. I did join another Sisterhood of the Traveling Journal group. So maybe I will use a bit of this in there. I'm not sure. I don't know which direction I want to go. But these are all the journaling bits. I really like these long page strips. They're really pretty. I like that you get some sentiments. Super cute. So I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. My desk is kind of messy. So we have this sheet. All the little polka dots. And then on the back of this, we have some cut apart. See how happy, like, it's just so fun and bright. I might have to do a mini album. I don't know. But it's so fun and vibrant. Let's see. There. And we have this, like, checkered page. And look at all these cut aparts. They're so cute. It's like even just like the little elements. Oh, I love the little bingo card. They're just really, really pretty and so colorful. We have this. They almost look like little bow ties. More cut apart pieces. I do like the shapes of the cut apart pieces. I like that you have a couple long strips. They're not all uniform. I do like that. A little tag piece. And they are tags on the back, so you can decide what side you like. Oh, I love this tag. So cute. Oh, look at the little cassette tape. That's really cute. And then, yeah, the backs are like more journaling side, fun side. Party in the front, business in the back, or business up front, party in the back. This like newspaper type of print page. And look at how bright and fun these scallops are. So pretty. And then we have this ledger page. I love a good ledger page. I don't know why. And then, ooh, look at the floral. Those are so vibrant. We have a yellow polka dot. And then we have the little specimen or like, they also remind me of old negatives, like photo negatives. So pretty. Have this grid page and more of like a checkered / grid. It's like a sideways grid on the back. I love a good black and white polka dot. I don't know why. It's so basic, but I like it. And more little scallopy pages. Ooh, this is a fun little like geometric stripe. And then we have some circles on the back. Look at this ledger page. Oh, the colors. I absolutely love it. I have more of like a mini cut apart on this page if you wanted, but I probably wouldn't. I would probably, I don't know. I don't know. I have this plaid page. And another ledger page. Lots of ledger pages. And then we have, you know, the main collection kit page. So fun. Even their little sample is really cute and pretty. Love it, love it, love it. All right. So this is, I don't know. It's going to be a long video if I go through every single thing, but some people really like to see it. So, here we go. It might be a fast little flip through. I might talk fast, so I'm sorry. A little radio, little like house drawing. This is like an architectural drawing kind of thing. Look at this little bingo card. I love a bingo card. I don't know why. A little record player. I have a tennis club. I'm not quite sure exactly what that is. We have a camera, Target. It's a golf club. Golf club. It's like a pickleball. We have an orange. We have a couple little sentiments, some little doodads, a little button, a little gummy bear, some more sentiments, a little scallop. I'm glad that there's some scallops in here because there's a lot of like scallopy pages. A record, strawberry, a camera, oh, a visor. I was like, what is this? But it's a visor. Light bulb, scallop. Yeah. Wow. Another little Target. Little Target. Light bulb. Oh, a little hourglass with hearts. That's cute. Little tag. Another little Target. A pear. Some grapes. Cherry. Typewriter. We have a paint palette. Another gumball. Love the little rotary phone. I love her too. She's sassy. Look at that. Pickleball. Another Target. Oh, some more pickleball. Some more buttons. There's a little award ribbon. A little telephone. Some more little gummy bears. More little scallops. Another little award ribbon. We have dude. Smile. Another little award. An apple, buttons, another camera. Have thread. Another award. I have an old car. This got like a little bit of everything. Like, how does this all work together? I love these little tickets though. These are cute. And I do like these little scallop pieces. Those are fun. I have another little house. Another little typewriter. Another purse, another little radio, tennis racket, another like award type of thing, light bulb, little 25 cents, love, and other little bits. But those are fun though, like a little bit of random stuff, but cute. All right, let me get this cleaned up. Okay, so next we have these chipboard pieces, and these look fun, fun, fun. Oh, I'm gonna drop them already. There's already one on the floor. So we have like little sentiments. Basically, oh, I love this little frame though. This is really cute. So a lot of the same elements that we had in the other pieces, just kind of like chipboard, some a little different. We have some hearts, some fruits. We still have some typewriters. We have a couple little floral pieces. Those are fun. Oh, here's another little frame. I really like these little frames. These are really cute. And of course, some little houses, cameras. We have some tags, some sentiments. And then a little rotary phone. Our fruits. So a lot of these, of course not all of them, like these little pieces weren't in there, but like this little scallops and stuff are really the same as what are these, the bits and pieces, just a chipboard. But I do like the little sentiments. I don't know if they're the same. I didn't even read the other sentiments, but very cute. Color, yeah, they're just new, right? Nope. mean. Cute though. So that's all the little cardboard bits. Let me get the next one. Okay, next we have these page pieces. I'm not going to open this up because you can see about how big they are, but we just have these few pieces right here. Little index card is kind of pretty. So you can, I like their little samples though. They're pretty. And then the floral bits. Again, they're really pretty. They're vibrant, but I don't know if I'm going to open up every single one. And then we have this one. This one I'll open. I just feel like the florals, they can all look super similar. These ones are at least like some different elements. Oh, we got a couple that are stuck in the bag. We have like these little journaling cards. I really like these. They go, you can fold them into a pocket. There's at least two of them. We have this little smile, a little envelope that you can tuck like florals in to come out. Tags. You the best. What's this one say? Amazing. This fun. Okie dokie. Hello, my name is. That's cute. For whatever reason, I like these little Target pieces. We have happy, you and me. We have some numbers. I think there's probably just 1, 2, and 3. We have some of these little sentiments. These are cute. Let's see. Another little journaling piece. Days. Color me happy. Today. Hi. Keep smiling. Oh, we got like little mini cutouts of these. Cute. We actually have cute. Some cute little fruit tags. These little ephemera bits. These are cute. Good stuff. More little diagrams. Awesome. And then just little sentiments, tags, and bits. So that's cute. I don't think that there's going to be any new. I don't think there's anything new. I think it's all the same, just a smaller scale. Yeah. And then here is the cardstock stickers. I like that you get little tabs. Those are cute. I like tabs. I like to put tabs on a lot of things. I don't know why, but I do. And then we have this side. This is cute. I wish that the inside would come out as well. So you'd have like a little sticker frame, but it is what it is. Cute little sentiments. So this is such a cute collection. Yeah, I don't know exactly what I want to do with it. Like, part of me wants to do an album. Part of me, I don't know. Yeah, I'll probably end up doing an album. And then whatever else I have left over, make something out of. But I think I haven't really made an album in a while. And I've been really itching to. So I need to. But this is the Simple Stories Color Me Happy collection. Thank you, Lisa, for selling it to me. I appreciate you, girl. She had a few collections to sell. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. But this is, the first time I've bought in like a whole collection with all the bits in a while. So sometimes I don't buy all the little bits because I'm like, oh, I don't need that, or I won't need that. But I do like having everything to play with. So that is a collection. Is so pretty. They have a lot of really cute collections right now. Their spring release was really good. I like, is it Lavender Fields? I don't know. There's one that's like lavender. It's purple and it's bees, and it is so pretty. I really like that collection too. And then I think there's like 2 or 3 other collections. Head over to Lisa's channel. I'll link her down below because she's got most of them and nice little walkthroughs and everything too. And she is so friendly and upbeat and lively, and she will walk you through every little piece. So definitely go give her some crafty love, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.